Whether you live in a safe house, a house that's prone to natural disasters, or most especially when you're outdoors, emergencies are bound to happen. It can happen to anyone and anywhere without warning. During these times, it's better to be prepared and ready to tend to the emergency rather than having to look for supplies or call for backup, which can prolong the waiting time of the predicament. Having a first aid kit that is readily available to you in case something happens is the best solution for this. In this video, watch as we tally and list the 5 best first aid kits that you can buy on the market today. We based our selection on the best overall, most compact, waterproof, most supplies, and the best above basic kit there is. If you want to see more details and the best prices about a certain product in the list, you can head on to the description below as we have left links for you there. Now let's head on to the video. Leading the list is the Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit, a leading product of one of the most reliable brands in emergency preparedness, Swiss Safe. This is our choice for best overall first aid kit. It's also on Amazon's top-notch pick for military first aid kits. One Swiss Safe bag contains a complete 120-piece first aid and the bonus 32-piece mini kit medical materials crucial for any emergency, catastrophe, and survival situation. All included items are guaranteed brand new, safe, and high-quality FDA approved. These medical-grade items are neatly stacked in a sturdy and durable bag with a dimension of 9 by 3 by 6 inches. Written on its back is the list of the 152 total items for your easy reference and identification. The bag also has extra room so you can pack additional items that are not included in the kit. In spite of its jam-packed content, the kit bag is compact and light. It weighs only 1.2 pounds and is quite handy to carry around. It is easy to keep in backpacks, desks, closets, and other limited storage areas. This first aid kit is flexible and versatile to use, not only at home or in work emergencies, but it may also function as a survival tool for your favorite outdoor hobbies like hiking and camping or during catastrophes. Another premium product on the list is the Tripworthy Compact First Aid Kit for Medical Emergency. Its versatility, functionality, and portability make it one of the most popular first aid kits on the market today. Weighing only 1 pound, this lightweight emergency kit is a perfect companion of people who are always on the go, whether traveling, hiking, backpacking, boating, camping, or attending outdoor activities. It fits well in backpacks and bags. It occupies a tiny space in the car, so there's absolutely no inconvenience. Keeping up with our high manufacturing standards, Tripworthy loaded this first aid kit with enhanced medical supplies and tools to meet any kind of emergency and survival needs. To make sure everything is safe and organized, the material used for the carrying case is made of quality and sturdy nylon material. It is especially designed and crafted in an FDA-approved facility. This all-purpose emergency kit helps you to be prepared for any disaster that may strike any time. Keeping it handy at home or everywhere your family goes is the best way to treat minor wounds and traumas. Tripworthy Compact First Aid Kit is also ideal to use in work and school environments because it meets the OSHA and ANSI requirements. The manufacturer guarantees that in case their product does not meet the buyer's expectation, it's best to let them know and they will make it right. Are you loving the video so far? If yes, then please consider subscribing to our channel. Make sure to turn on the notifications so that you'll be prompted when we release a new video. We create various review videos that are aimed to make the decision-making of buyers easier. Moving forward, the third on our list is the Wellstrong 2-in-1 104-piece waterproof first aid kit. Wellstrong's first aid kits are specially designed and enclosed in a compact bag that can be used in different kinds of mishaps. It's recommended for home and outdoor use. The Wellstrong 2-in-1 waterproof first aid kit is light and durable, which weighs 12 ounces. It fits on various activities like outdoor camping, fishing, travel, hiking, or sports. You can have it attached to your belt or backpack, making sure that you're ready for an emergency that might come your way. It is requisite that in every disaster or an emergency, a first aid kit is a must-have. It has a convenient design which you can easily open and close through a snap clip. This waterproof kit has a heavy-duty external bag that is made out of a ripstop vinyl fabric. You can also put your wallet and mobile phone inside the kit, but it isn't a 100% guarantee that it's fully sealed. This first aid kit has 104 pieces of high-grade medical supplies and is handy, which you can bring everywhere and anywhere you go. It offers an adjustable size and weight feature, wherein the waterproof bag itself is expanded to 4 by 2.7 by 12.6 inches in dimension and can be adjusted to a smaller size of 4 by 2.7 by 6 inches. Inclusive of this kit is an extra nylon pouch with a 10.8.7.1.5 inch size and is only available in red color. We hope you're enjoying this video so far. Do you have a product that you want us to review? Please feel free to comment below and let us know what your request is so we can make it happen. Let's continue on with the Lightning X Small First Responder EMT/EMS Trauma Bag Stocked First Aid Kit Fill Kit B, which is the ideal kit for non-basic emergencies and is perfect for first aid responder and volunteer EMT. It is also highly recommended for business, school, or even home use. Don't be fooled by its compact design, because this kit is completely filled up with all the basic supplies you need. Its lightweight size is small enough to keep or store in limited spaces, like in your vehicle or in a cabinet or toolbox. This first aid trauma bag is designed to contain multiple pockets and compartments, as well as detachable, customizable foam dividers for maximum storage space and easy viewing of the contents. It boasts the other features such as a padded shoulder strap that has reflective strips stitched to the webbing for added visibility, extra large zippers for long-lasting durability and easy grip for opening, and a well-built hardware design for maximum wear and tear protection. It also features an embroidered Star of Life logo, unlike screen-printed ones, to avoid being easily scraped off. This bag is completely designed with dimensions of 17 inches by 9 inches by 11 inches. Finally, we have the Patch Up First Aid Kit. This compact first aid kit has 300 pieces of first aid supplies with 40 unique items. This is not just for home use, but it can be used as well for outdoor adventures. This first aid kit is specially designed to be in standby mode for your sporting activities, such as skiing, marathons, running, football, and camping. It is a vital necessity for backpacking and wilderness adventures. The Patch Up First Aid Kit is a clamshell zipper-type container, but has folding see-through compartments, allowing you to find the most needed items in an emergency situation. This is a 2-in-1 first aid kit, a large and a mini kit. The mini kit, which you can bring anywhere, has 40 items inside, which can be used for individual care. The items you need for a first aid kit is already in the Patch Up kit. It is a jam-packed kit that includes loads of latex-free gloves, bandages, and gauze. It also has an ice pack, emergency blanket, and medical face mask, a cat tourniquet if you need to stop bleeding fast, and CPR resuscitation masks are also included. That's it for this video about the best first aid kits. We hope that this video was able to help you decide which first aid kit to buy. No matter what it is you're looking for or when you buy a product, we are dedicated to helping you have an easier time in deciding. Our reviews are filled with the best products and features that you should know about so you can determine if it's the right product for you. Do you have another product in mind that you want to see us review? Don't forget to leave a comment and tell us what product you want to see next. Thank you for watching. Remember to click the subscribe button to get updates for the next uploads. For the best prices and other features of products in this video, check out the links in the description below.